What if I told you there are places on Earth so strange, so surreal, they look like CGI from a billion-dollar sci-fi movie? Landscapes so extreme that scientists compare them to Mars, and others so colorful they don't even look natural. And the craziest part? Almost nobody talks about them. These aren't the usual travel spots you see all over YouTube. No Santorini, no Iceland, no Bali. These are hidden corners of our planet that feel glitched, like Earth accidentally revealed its secret settings. In the next few minutes, you'll see a boiling alien landscape in Africa, mountains painted in impossible colors, a desert that floods with crystal blue lagoons, and a razor-sharp stone forest that looks almost dangerous to enter. Some of these places are so extreme, they're barely habitable. Others only exist for a few months each year before disappearing again. And by the end of this video, you might start questioning how much of Earth you actually know. Let's begin one. Dallol, Ethiopia. What if I told you the hottest inhabited place on Earth looks like a broken planet from a sci-fi movie? Deep inside Ethiopia's Danakil Depression lies Dallol, a landscape so surreal it feels digitally designed. Neon yellow sulfur fields stretch across the ground. Acidic green pools bubble violently, and bright orange mineral formations glow under an unforgiving sun. At first glance, it feels fake. But here's the truth. Nothing here is artificial. Temperatures regularly climb above 45 degrees Celsius, and the earth beneath your feet is alive, constantly shifting and steaming as if the planet is still being formed. Scientists often compare this region to Mars, and standing here feels like stepping into another world entirely. And yet, despite its danger and extreme heat, people travel thousands of miles just to witness it. Because once you see Dallol, you realize Earth is far stranger than we imagine. 2. Zhangye Danxia, National Geological Park, China. Have you ever seen mountains that look hand-painted by an artist? Hidden in China's Gansu province, Zhangye Danxia challenges everything you think a landscape should look like. Massive rolling hills are layered with bold stripes of red, gold, orange, and even hints of blue, creating a natural rainbow carved into stone. It almost looks like someone increased the color saturation to an impossible level. But these patterns formed over 24 million years through mineral deposits and tectonic shifts, a slow masterpiece shaped by time. And here's what makes it even more mesmerizing. At sunrise and sunset, the colors intensify dramatically. The mountains begin to glow, shadows deepen, and for a few breathtaking moments, the entire range feels animated. Then, the light fades, and it returns to stillness, like nature revealing a secret only twice a day. Lençóis Maranhenses National Park, Brazil. From above, Lençóis Maranhenses looks like an endless white desert stretching beyond the horizon. Smooth sand dunes roll like frozen ocean waves, creating a minimalist landscape of pure white. But here's the twist. This is not a desert at all. During the rainy season, thousands of crystal-clear turquoise lagoons form between the dunes, transforming the entire region into a surreal mosaic of water and sand. Blue lakes shimmer under the sun, perfectly framed by untouched white curves. It feels impossible, like a dream carefully designed by imagination. And what makes it even more mysterious is that these lagoons are temporary. For a few magical months, this Brazilian wonder becomes one of the most breathtaking sights on Earth. Then, slowly, the water evaporates, and the desert illusion returns, as if nothing ever happened. 4. Tsingy de Bemaraha, Madagascar. Imagine walking through a forest made entirely of stone. In western Madagascar, Tsingy de Bemaraha rises like a shattered world frozen in time. Thousands of razor-sharp limestone spires pierce the sky, some reaching over 70 meters high, forming a labyrinth so dense and jagged that parts of it remained unexplored for centuries. From above, it looks like waves of rock crashing against the earth. Up close, it feels ancient and intimidating, beautiful, yet almost dangerous. Narrow suspension bridges now cross above this sharp terrain, offering views that feel unreal and slightly terrifying at the same time. And as you stand there, surrounded by towering stone blades, one thought becomes clear. Earth is still capable of surprising us in ways we never expect. These places aren't fantasy movie sets. They aren't computer-generated landscapes. They are real, raw corners of our planet that feel almost extraterrestrial. And if landscapes like these exist beyond the usual tourist maps, imagine how many more secrets Earth is still hiding. Which one would you explore first?